You're watching Natish 21.
What is happening, boys? It's your boy Natish 21 back with another video. The G got tuned yesterday and it made 890 wheel horsepower and 740 wheel torque. We actually ran out of injectors, so we had to stop there, but it's plenty of power for the kill map. Funny enough, as soon as we took it out onto the street, the fuel on the passenger side of the gas tank mixed over to the driver's side, lowering the ethanol content, dropping it down to the 800 map. So we have like basically three maps. It's like a 716 wheel map, and there's like an 800 mid map, and then the kill map, which is like 890. So right now today it's on the 800 map until I put more E in it, and we don't have them at the pump, so I gotta go get it. It's a little bit of a hassle, so we're gonna take it out for a little drive right now for you guys to enjoy some footage, but it's on the 800 wheel map right now. Yeah, if the cat's not already out of the bag, this is also happening very soon, so I hope you guys are fucking excited for that. I'm tripping over all my shit today. We got the E92 M3 over here, and this one's down for the count right now because whoever owned this car before me let this heater hose here go underneath the main heater hose, and it rubbed on the belt and cracked a hole in this hose. So I'm currently looking for this heater hose to replace, but other than that, this car is kind of just waiting, and it's down right now. So let's get the G going. Yesterday as well. Now it calms down. That's a little weird. I don't know why. Maybe it's a cold start, but I'm noticing sometimes I'll be driving and the idle just wants to stick and hang at like 2,000 RPM until I like force clutch in first gear or something, and then it'll calm down. But maybe the throttle body. That's my guess. All right, guys, we are finally in the G35 and it's finally running. It's been a minute, as you guys know. The car's pulling really hard despite having these like three different maps that we're working with. The pump gas map is something like 716 wheel, like 690 wheel torque, and then we have the mid map, which is like if your ethanol content is at like E38, for example, which I'm at right now here, so that's around 800 wheel and maybe like just under 700 wheel torque. And then we have the kill map, which is anything over I think like E45 blend ethanol, and that is 890 wheel and 740 wheel torque, which is mad. As soon as we drove out of the dyno shop yesterday, the fuel kind of sloshed over the gas tank and lowered the total ethanol content, so we dropped from kill map into that. So whatever footage you saw on the big dyno video, it was around the 800 wheel horsepower mark, so that's what it was at. It was definitely sick. Like the car's hooking and booking, it's doing fantastic. These tires are a little old now. I should probably change them, but they're hooking up, so let's see how it goes. absolutely phenomenal. My God, dude, this is the best car I have ever driven by far. Like, oh man, for like excitement factor and just sheer like ratchet like pleasure. What? But it's still comfortable. Like we still got the stock seats in here, so it's not like mans are bucketed up and, you know, like harnessed up the ass, and like it's normal. Everything feels normal about this thing. It sounds like an R35 GTR out the back under like 4K or under 3K, and then after 4K it just opens up. You get this like high-pitched tone of a little bit of like the VQ trumpet, maybe you could call it. And then the wastegates open and all hell breaks loose as it fries tire to 8,000 RPM. This thing is mad. I promise you, it is the craziest thing I've ever been in. God damn. What's good, brother? Thanks, man. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to check out my other videos of the G and AMG. I also drop videos of all kinds of other epic builds that you do not want to miss. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that bell with the notification so you know exactly when I drop a video. See you next time.